Well, first of all, during the economic downturn, shall I say, the impact environmentally can be fantastically good. People in HOK accuse me of having very thick rose-colored glasses, but I think in this case, that might be true too, but I think in this case, the fact that there is a downturn, so there is an interest in efficiency and simplicity, something that's very important, particularly to the American culture, is on everybody's mind. So it's an opportunity not to be wasted. How can we actually help folks in this time when every dollar, every ounce of material is really precious? The real challenge now is that we all must tackle, that truthfully, most of us, certainly including our office, don't really have a handle on, is how to go toward zero carbons. We must do that. We must learn how to do it so that it's affordable, and we're all going to work on it. We have some initiatives in our company to understand that, to hopefully help our clients get a handle on how they can move in that direction. If you think of lead platinum, for example, as going to the top of Mount Everest, zero carbon is landing a person on Mars. I mean, it's a completely different level, but yet it's something we have to do. And the general answer is to find ways to make sustainability affordable. That's the fundamental thing. There have been a lot of forays into sustainability about, give me twice as much to spend per square foot or per project, and I'll make you a very sustainable project. But the notion of making sustainability affordable so that hospitals and schools and houses and infrastructure and everything, offices, can be sustainable, that's the holy grail, and that's the thing we all have to attack, make progress on. And again, in this, shall I say, challenging economic time, our window is open for looking into that. As we were talking about earlier today, this idea of buying local, which LEED does not, I mean, it says, okay, you get points if it's within 500 miles, but the idea of actually helping local communities, buying bricks from down the road, buying wood that's actually made in the United States. After all, think of wood as this, wood in its manufacturing process while it's growing has put a whole lot more oxygen in the air than any concrete or steel or aluminum ever did. So we want to get local. When a local community is healthy, I believe it's also, intuitively I should say, much more sustainable. It's a fundamental thing that LEED hasn't addressed. I hope it will, and I think we ought to be thinking sustainable economic communities along with sustainable communities in the other definition. It will help our culture, and a strong, healthy culture is the cornerstone of good, healthy, sustainable environments, at least in my opinion.